really thick density. If you're first time trying condensed wool gel, make sure you blend it because they're thick density, but also so easy to work with. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so quiet today. I'm not like, because I think I'm really into it and I love it. It's so fascinating. Like say, wow. It looks like a winter nails instead of fall nails with that leaves. What's gonna come up with that leaves? But okay, we're doing a matte theme today.
Oh, matte?
Yeah, should we? It's gonna look weird when it's like it's had one nails matte and the rest is shiny.
Should you have like two matte, two shiny, so something to compare to?
Are you sure they're a different design?
Oh, because you do encapsulate. You do all matte, it's just kind of dull.
No, it's gonna be trendy dull. Haha, just kidding. So this is freaking stunning. They come with different color. I'm so obsessed with this because it has so many like crystal and frame in there. It's basically does a work for us. You can do it this way, or you can do it like, you can do it up or down. Maybe I do this. Should I go right here?
Center.
Oh, but I don't want to cover my leaves. Look.
So you tilt it to the side, the center, so you don't cover any leaf. All that.
Looks good. But it still cover my leaves though.
You tilt to the side, right in the middle.
Okay, hold on. I have a different way now.
There you go, tilt to the side like that.
Yep, stay on.
Yep. Try to match the curve.
You know, looks much better that way.
Well, beauty of it is you can play around as much as you want until you cure.
Yeah, you can do whatever you would like. You don't have to settle yet. I just want something different because I don't want to take away from the cute. All right, so we have some green colors.
That's maybe some small bit in there.
The chrome flick underneath is so stunning. I'm gonna do some beads. They are so fancy and extra. There's a lot of this expensive nails. So how much would you charge for the clients with these nails? We're asking because we can share an idea how you can approaching your clients, how you can able to charge it fair for you and for your clients. So it's not like overcharge or undercharge at all. Okay, good. I think I'm good. I'm gonna wipe on the side of the nails. Can you get this one small pieces? That's nail. CC, that's right away. That's nail 30. That's a great, good price, CC, because we did ombre, encapsulating, chromes, crystal placements. All right. Cure this one for 60 seconds.